Quick projection from Reuters. Investment bankers are gearing up for a pickup in deal-making activity in global equity capital markets this year. There's a promising pipeline of anticipated initial public offerings of several high-profile companies. What does this mean? If you watched my previous videos, I did mention that there is a correlation between transactional activity in the market that correlates directly to the job market. There's a positive correlation that we've seen in the past few years. So when there are more IPOs, more SPAC deals, more mergers and acquisitions, typically that translates into more confidence in the job market and more opportunities that are real opportunities. So Reuters is a huge company that definitely is very reputable. When I mention them, certainly gives some confidence in the job market.